Hello and welcome. Today we're going to learn one of the most important tenses in English, the present simple. This is a tense that you use every day, even without realizing it. And if you want to speak English fluently, you must understand it clearly. So let's break it down step by step. We use the present simple to talk about habits and routines. I wake up at 6 a.m. She drinks coffee every morning. Facts and general truths. The sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Schedules and timetables. The train leaves at 7. School starts at 8. If something happens regularly or is always true, we use the present simple. Now, let's see how we form it. For most verbs, it's very easy. For I, you, we, they, the verb stays the same. I work, you play, we study, they live. But with he, she, it, we add is at the end. He works, she plays, it rains. Some verbs need s. Go becomes goes, watch becomes watches, do becomes does. If the verb ends in a consonant plus y, we change y to I and add es. Study becomes studies, carry becomes carries. To make a negative sentence, we use do not or don't for I, you, we, they, and does not or doesn't for he, she, it. Examples: I don't like tea. They don't go to the gym. She doesn't play tennis. He doesn't work on weekends. After don't or doesn't, the verb goes back to its base form, not she doesn't plays, but she doesn't play. To ask questions, we start with do or does examples. Do you like music? Do they work on Monday? Does he play football? Does she study English? For short answers, yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. We often use present simple with time expressions like every day, always, usually, often, sometimes, never. Examples: I always eat breakfast at 7. She never drinks coffee. Let's recap. Use present simple for habits, facts, and routines. Add s or es for he, she, it. Use don't or doesn't for negatives. Use do or does to form questions. Now you know how the present simple works, but to truly remember it, you need practice. That's why I've created a PDF file with present simple exercises. For beginners and intermediate learners, you'll find the link to download the PDF in the video description. Thank you for learning with me. And remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going. See you in the next lesson.